What's happening, guys? Safety Liner C2 here. This is a package from Noah. Some of you might know that I had a birthday a couple weeks ago. Thank you for everyone who wished me a happy birthday. I tried to thank everyone individually, but if I missed you, if I did not say to you, thank you. So he has assured me this is the best present that I will ever get. So is Adam. He told Adam what it was, and they both assured me that there's no way for them to possibly top this. Don't get you a great birthday gift? No, I don't think I will. That's a, read this after unboxing. Okay. Glad I flipped that over. I have no idea what's in here, as always. Let's see. It says, get ready to knock your socks off because you aren't ready for what I got you this year. No, of course, nothing there, and nothing there. Wow. Only one side labeled. This is interesting. And, might be able to see right here. Right here. Yes, good. Safety Liner C2. I love it. Oh, this is fantastic. There's two of them in there. Oh, these are great. Oh, that's so awesome. So obviously these are little C2 stickers that would go right above the door on C2s. That's so freaking cool. Yeah, that's a pretty hard one to beat. Gosh. Wow, I haven't seen these anywhere before. And sorry, I have to angle it like this. I guess I can kind of do this, but oh, that is really cool. Whoa. I really like those. Like, as much as I want to put it on something, like, I want to put it on my truck, but then it's like, once the truck is gone, so is the lettering. Like, oh, those are so cool. Yeah, that's a really hard one to beat. That's a really hard one to beat right there. I like those. Good job, Noah. Good job. Thumbs up for that. So it looks like I bought some stuff off of him. Maybe about a month ago. Told him no rush, and it looks like that stuff is also in here. So we're just gonna kind of dig around and see what's first. We'll start off with this one right here. We've got, oh, this is one of those USBs. He did a video of this. Wait, is this the USB? I think it is. I don't know, but no, it's not. I wasn't really paying attention, but to his videos. But yeah, just a little self-driving city bus. That is a USB. No, it's not. I'm just stupid. So, did not buy that one off of him. Looks like that one's an extra. So, cool. This one I remember I bought off of him. It's an old All-American, and it is supposed to blink, press on and off, if we have batteries in it, but it's a little pin that's supposed to blink. So, yeah, I remember I bought that one specifically off of him, so that's very cool to have. See what else is in our bag of goodies here. Yes, I also bought this one off of him. This is a TC2000 little thing. I don't really even know what this is. He bought a big box of, like, just a whole school bus collection, and the stuff he didn't want, he said that I had first dibs on, so I just bought some random stuff off of him. I think I got this off of him too. This little, lots of flashing light things on here. Is there a, no, but this is a Thomas 3800 pin, and as you can see, those lights, the warning lights, are supposed to flash on there too. So it looks like I might have to, I'm gonna have to figure out how that works, but even if not, that's still pretty cool to have. So let's see what else. I see there's a little keychain right here. Nelto melon, whatever. Little Thomas keychain from Whitewater, Michigan, a dealership, I assume. This one's really cool. This is one of the older ones from the 90s. You can tell based off of the the logo right there. But I really like this this red color, and this will make a good addition to the keychain collection. So let's see. I also saw this right here. We've got a oh, that's cool. It's a little koozie for a cup. So for a drink or something. If I can get this in, this one's a little flimsy, and I guess this cup might be a little too big too. But combination of the both probably isn't going to work out right now. But yeah, just a little international koozie. So yeah, that one's really cool too. Let's see, what else do we have down here? Here's something. Barlow. I don't remember what this is. I don't think I ordered this off of him. Don't think I got this off of him. Maybe I did. It's a little... Oh, I certainly did not order that off of him. That is very, very cool. Check that out. That's an old Wayne tape measure. Since when did they make those? Like, since when was this a thing? Like, look at that. That is in pristine condition right there. It comes with the original box for it too, so that's always a plus, especially for a collector. And it looks like we've got a little thing in here. Let's see, just a little lifetime guarantee, so nothing much in there, but that is definitely not what I was expecting to find in there, a Wayne tape measure. So, oops, did I just crush that? No, I don't think I did, but still really, really cool. If I can get all this out, we'll just put that to the side. So, okay, very cool. What else do we have? I see a keychain down here. I think no, I don't believe I got this one off of him. It's a Vision keychain. Yeah, nothing too crazy about that one. But yeah, just a little Vision keychain. Let's see what else. I think we're coming down to the last thing. I know I ordered this off of him. This is an extra. He had an extra one of these and said he didn't want it. Obviously, AmTran RE Owner's Manual. I'll flip through here. There's probably not much, not anything too crazy in there, other than just, you know, stuff. Yeah, so dear AmTran RE owner, thank you for the purchase. Thank you for your purchase of our product. We are here to serve you after purchase. We are here to serve your after purchase needs through the largest dealer service network in North America. Blah blah blah. And then thank you again for buying this AmTran product. I'll take pictures of this. I'll throw it on Flickr if I find anything interesting in there. So go ahead and check out my Flickr Safety Liner C2, and of course the link is always in the description. So yeah, so that's pretty cool. Boom. Okay, I think that's it. Is there anything else in this box? No, there's not. And no, we're not finished because you have to read this after the unboxing. Let's see. Okay, it says, good luck topping this one. Good luck topping this one. There's some smaller extra. There are some smaller extras that aren't a part of the birthday gift. I think you'll know which the birthday gift is. Yeah, we saw that. But yeah, thank you, Noah. I always do appreciate it. Make sure you guys check out his channel, Busboy501. I'll leave it in the description, and I'm sure he'll be one of the first to comment something smart too, because that's us. So yeah, very, very cool. That's going to be hard to top, but I've got to find something to top it with. But yeah, I really like that. Thanks a ton, Noah, for all this stuff, including the stuff that I bought off of you, some of the stuff that you just included just for fun. I guess you can't really see this, but yeah, a lot of really, really good stuff from a really, really good friend. And yeah, so I think that's going to do it for this video, guys. Like I said, make sure you go check out Noah, Busboy501, for some quality content over on his channel. So, yeah, that's going to do it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe right down here. It's a magical red button that says you are now subscribed to Safety Liner C2. Make sure you comment up here, down here, over here, or over here. I don't know where they put it, down here where they put it. Make sure you also give this video a thumbs up, or my C2 lettering is just going to disappear out of nowhere. We can't have that happen. And make sure you also share this video with a friend. Show it to your mom, show it to your dad, show it to a guy on a random street. I don't care. Don't let anything happen to you. So, yeah, guys, that's going to do it. Thanks for watching.
For anyone else watching, please subscribe to Safety Liner C2 on YouTube.